XADO Red Anticarbon is a highly effective solution for decarbonizing piston rings and cylinder piston group components without disassembly. The advanced aerosol formula ensures even spray distribution, penetrating hard-to-reach areas where other cleaners fail. Thanks to its cost-effective application, a single aerosol is enough to treat up to 20 cylinders. Fast-acting formula softens and removes stubborn carbon deposits, restores piston rings mobility, and levels compression, resulting in improved performance, smoother operation, and lower emissions. XADO Red Anticarbon is an effective and reliable decarbonization solution, offering the effectiveness equal to professional equipment cleaning in a single aerosol can. More economical, easier to use, and just as powerful.